If you've ever wished for smoother, more radiant skin, or if you're tired of waking up with stiff, creaky joints, then you absolutely need to watch this video. Imagine starting your day feeling refreshed, with skin that glows and joints that move with ease. No more wincing as you get out of bed or avoiding your favorite activities because of discomfort. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 3 collagen-rich foods that can help you achieve just that. A youthful glow and joints that feel years younger. Whether you're in your 20s and want to keep your skin looking fresh, or you're a little older and want to turn back the clock, these foods are for everyone who wants to look and feel their best. Think about it. How amazing would it be to move freely, without those annoying pops and cracks in your knees, hips, or fingers? Healthy joints aren't just about comfort, they're about freedom. Freedom to run, dance, stretch, and play with your kids or grandkids. And the best part? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. The secret is in your kitchen, and I'm about to show you how simple it can be to nourish your body from the inside out. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work? Is it some kind of magic? Actually, it's pure science. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, acting like the glue that holds everything together. It keeps your skin firm and elastic, cushions your joints, and even supports your gut health. But as we age, our natural collagen production slows down, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and achy joints. The good news? You can help your body rebuild and repair by eating the right foods. Let's dive into the top 3 collagen-boosting foods that experts and nutritionists swear by. First up, let's talk about bone broth. Picture a steaming bowl of rich, golden broth filled with nourishing goodness. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue for hours, sometimes even days. This slow-cooking process extracts collagen, gelatin, and a host of minerals that your body craves. When you sip on bone broth, you're giving your body a direct source of collagen, which can help repair your skin, strengthen your hair and nails, and keep your joints lubricated and pain-free. It's like a cozy hug for your insides, warming, comforting, and deeply nourishing. Plus, bone broth is incredibly versatile. You can drink it straight, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even add it to your favorite recipes for an extra boost of nutrition. And don't worry if you're not a chef, there are plenty of high-quality ready-made bone broths available at most grocery stores. Just look for ones with simple, natural ingredients. And let's be honest, bone broth tastes way better than it looks. The rich, savory flavor is comforting and satisfying, especially on a chilly day. It's a great way to start your morning or wind down in the evening. Plus, sharing a pot of homemade bone broth with friends or family can be a wonderful way to connect and nourish your loved ones. If you've never tried it before, give it a shot. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it, and your body will thank you for the extra collagen boost. Next on our list, eggs. Eggs are a true superfood, and not just for breakfast. The whites of eggs are especially rich in pro-collagen amino acids like glycine and proline, which your body uses as building blocks to create its own collagen. So every time you crack open an egg, you're giving your skin and joints exactly what they need to stay strong and supple. Eggs are also packed with other nutrients like vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which support your overall health and energy levels. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, boiled, or baked, eggs are one of the easiest and most affordable ways to boost your collagen intake. And don't forget, they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, stir-fries, or even bake them into healthy muffins for a protein-packed snack. So the next time you're in the kitchen, crack one open and scramble it up. You're not just making breakfast, you're making skin food. Eggs are budget-friendly, quick to prepare, and loved by people of all ages. If you're looking for a simple way to support your skin and joints every single day, eggs are a no-brainer. Plus, they're delicious. Try adding some fresh herbs, spinach, or tomatoes for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. Your body, and your wallet, will thank you. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about salmon. You might know salmon as brain food because of its high omega-3 content. But did you know it's also a powerhouse for your skin and joints? Salmon is rich in protein, which your body uses to make collagen, and those healthy omega-3 fats help fight inflammation. Inflammation is one of the main reasons our joints get stiff and our skin loses its glow. By eating salmon regularly, you're not only supporting your heart and brain, but you're also giving your skin a natural radiance and helping your joints stay flexible and pain-free. Salmon is also loaded with antioxidants like astaxanthin, which gives the fish its beautiful pink color and helps protect your skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. Whether you grill it, bake it, or enjoy it raw as sushi, Salmon is a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. So, let's recap. Bone broth, eggs, and salmon. These three foods are simple, accessible, and incredibly effective at supporting your body's natural collagen production. By including them in your diet regularly, you're giving yourself the best chance at smoother skin, stronger hair and nails, and joints that move with ease. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a healthier, more vibrant you, or waking up each morning feeling energized and ready to take on the day. It's not about perfection, it's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Start by adding one of these foods to your meals each day, and notice how your body responds. You might be surprised at how quickly you start to feel and look like a brand new you. And remember, consistency is key. The more you nourish your body with these collagen-rich foods, the better your results will be. Are you ready to glow from the inside out? Your journey to healthier skin and happier joints starts with what you put on your plate. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more science-backed health hacks, delicious recipes, and easy ways to feel your best every single day. Share this video with a friend who could use a little extra glow, and let's build a community of people who are committed to living their healthiest, happiest lives. Remember, you deserve to feel amazing, inside and out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.